Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I want to show you our lace closure and frontals because I received some clients who are having a query about the frontal and closures, and she actually had a bad experience with some other vendors about that. So she said, do you have videos of your frontals? I purchased from another vendor and it has so much short pieces. I took a loss. I could not sell it to my clients, and actually I want to make a video and I want to show you and show her as well about our lace closure and frontals. Our lace closure and frontals are very much true to the length, true to the weight, and true to the density. So this is our 13x6 lace frontals. Look at this density and the end of this hair. This is very full. Our lace closure is and frontal are very full. This is 13x6. This is 6 inches deep. It's true to the depth as well and true to the length. And this is our 13x6. Look at the density and look at the end and look at front. This is our 13x6 brown lace. We also have transparent lace as well, and all the frontals are true to the length, weight, and density. This is another. I want to show you this closures. This is our closures. Our closures also are in great shape. Look at these closures. This is very much full and this is very much dense with great density, great hair, and great fullness. Look at the end of this hair. So, and this is a body wave one, and look, front side, back side. This is this is a brown lace as well, and hairline is also very natural, pre-plucked, and very much great density, great shape, and everything's great. And all our hair is actually around 1 or 2 inches longer than its nominal lengths. If you are getting 16 inches, usually you are getting around 17 inch or 17.5 inch. Closure and frontal are true to the length, true to the weight, and true to the density. So you don't have to worry about everything about our lace closure or frontal, and the lace of our hair is also great. So just don't worry, and we have the best products, and I can make sure that your clients or your customer will like it, and you don't have to worry about anything about the quality and everything. I will take care of the quality and service as well. I will personally check every piece before I send to you. Just make sure that what you are receiving is the best piece. And so if you want closure, frontal, or anything like wig or bundles, just contact me and we will be at your service. Thanks for your time for watching and have a great day.